It's his account. Ayan. So, just follow my cursor. So, dito tayo pupunta sa My Membership. Click natin yung My Membership. And then, tama nga. Kasi nakalagay dito is, you have not yet paid your membership for this month of October. So, click natin tong My Monthly Membership now for 9.95. There you go. And then, makikita natin, nandito na siya. So, okay. Mukhang okay naman lahat. Then, check out na tayo. Kasi wala naman na tayong ibang bibilhin. Check out. And wait lang natin. So, eto na. So, are we paying credit card? Of course not. Credit wallet ang ating gagamitin. So, click natin yung credit wallet. Yan. Everything is okay. So, please agree to the policies regarding this order. Click natin to. Understand that I'll be billed 9.95 to my credit wallet immediately. I agree to Live Good policies, procedures as outlined. Alright, so place order. Success! Thank you for your order from Live Good and congratulations again on being a Live Good member. You ordered your monthly membership. So now, okay na si Sir Joey. Ibig sabihin, okay na yung kanyang monthly membership sa Live Good kasi nakapagbayad siya using his credit wallet. So ganun lang po kadali magbayad ng inyong monthly Live Good subscription using your funds sa credit wallet. Now, if you would like more information about Live Good, then visit this website, livegoodtour.com/Allen De Leon, and provide your name and email address, and you can create your free Live Good account. Yes, it's free. So, pwede mo nang makita yung dashboard. You can explore, tour, and find out about the company, the products, the comp plan, and everything about Live Good. Okay, so make sure to sign up right now. Okay? And if you'd like more video tutorials about Live Good, may dalawa akong videos on screen. Click one of those videos and I'll see you there. This is Allen De Leon. Thank you very much for watching, guys.